Hi guys, I'm Ashik. How are you? I'm good. Today I will discuss to you one of very important things. Do you know what is this? This is English, English and English. Dear brother and sister, we know English but we don't know communicate English to each other. It is very big problem for us. So we should everyone learn English and speaking English each other. Otherwise, we never success in our professional life, in our career, and in our personal life. Personal life, you all time talking your native language. It is not problem, but professional life, native language is not a good, is not a give you success. If you start your good professional life, you should start English. Otherwise, you never success in your future. Day by day, we are thinking, we are improve ourselves. We are going to a good position. So, if you don't know good English, no one company give you any chance. If you face any interview board, every interview board to talk with you by English. First of all, they are question you, tell me about yourself. Some of new service holder don't know answer, do not answer properly. So that's why interview board are feel that you don't know anything. It is very big problem for us. So now all of student, all of businessmen, all of professional service holder should learn English every day. How do you learn English? I will discuss to you today. Dear brother and sister, English is very important for our life. So let's start how to discuss how to start English learning. Number one, I will discuss to you today four things. Number one, L S R W. L means listening, S means speaking, W means writing, and R means reading. So, listening is a very important thing to learn English. If you don't listening anything English, but you never speaking English. So, listening is a very important part of learning English. But how to start your listening? You now listening is very easy. You go to Google site or YouTube site. That time you are finding huge video in listening. So you finding right good English video and hear again and again. You start first of all one story. You should one story listening regular minimum 10 times or 20 times, and you try to listen, you try to understand and meaning. That time you should develop yourself. You develop yourself and your mind ready to telling anything. Second thing is speaking. Without speaking, you never communicate each other. So speaking is very, very important for us. Without speaking, we never published us each and other. So listening, speaking without speaking is very good for us. But how to start speaking? Speaking, you never talk each other without practice. So practice is very important things. You should start from today. Practice English. Number one, how to start it practice. First of all, you should talk to yourself. Just stand in one of mirror and describe yourself talking to some of fruits, some of vegetables, some of ornaments, some of your house, furniture, etc. Just without practice, you never speak English. Dear brother and sister, I will guide you today another things for my practical life. Okay? So, speaking is a more and more important for us. Some of teacher, some of student is very good. They are very good grammar. They are know very good English. Their vocabulary is very strong. But when they start to talking each other, but they did not talk properly to speak English. So, number one barrier is a hesitation. So, dear brother, from today we don't hesitate. Hesitation is very big problem for us. No problem. You start today, start in English. You start mistakenly, no problem. You make mistake more and more time, but you don't afraid. Mistake and mistake, one day come is good. A communication skill. Without mistake, you never learn English. So first of all, you should start today listening every day, minimum one story, minimum 10 times or 20 times every day. Reading every day one story, minimum 10 or 20 times. Writing every day one story 10 or 20 times. Then you try to speak each other. First of all, you should start your home with your wife, with your brother, sister, or with your daughter, with your family member. That time, your hesitation day by day remove your mind. But if you face challenge when you start in English. Some of words don't become your memory. So that time you should try to 4 word English and 3 word Bengali or Hindi or Turkey. No problem. You don't afraid that time. You try to regular sentence making. Some of word become your memory and some of word don't become your memory. That time you don't be afraid and you don't nervous and you don't feel upset. So first of all, remove hesitation from your mind. Second time, be confident. Without confidence, you never success in your every life. So be confident. Your mind, you thinking rightly, your mind handle you right path. Second thing, first of all, third thing, you should regular talking your office colleague English. But first day, if some of office colleague don't take it positively, so you don't feel nervous. That time you try to speak with them 2 word English and some of word Bengali, Hindi or Turkey. No problem. If you start 1 day, 2 days and 3 days, minimum 7 days you try it. You see after 7 days you develop yourself very goodly. So dear brother and sister, don't be upset to talk English each other. Practice is very important. Without practice you never good English. You obviously try to practice. Without practice you never success in your life. So practice is very important for us. So we start from today, practice. Don't be hesitate. If you hesitate and if you don't confident, then you never learn English. So dear brother and sister, I will tell you, please let's start today and like my video and share my video. Then I will give you more and more video to learn English. Again, see you next time. Bye bye.